Okay, last graphing problem, which, this is plenty of problems, right? Because they're a little time consuming. So, let's do it. Let's knock it out. Exponential this time, which means refer to yo mama, which looks like that. Y-intercept at 1. Next point, over 1, up the value of the base from the asymptote. So, use that idea, apply it to this problem. Asymptote, see a plus 2 at the end, is telling you up to get that asymptote. Dash it in. X minus 1 is telling you right 1, dude. Now, normally, our y-intercept, or that first key point, would be 1 above the asymptote. But this is a negative exponential graph, which means there should be 1 below the asymptote. So my first point is going to be right there at 1, 1. Next point, let's move 1 to the right. How far away from that asymptote should I be? Well, I should be the value of the base away, which is 4. So I should be down 1, 2, 3, 4 down here. So I get my 2 points. Point 1 was 1, 1, and point 2 was 2, negative 2. So I can sketch this dude in. Whoa, gonna look something like that. That was poorly drawn, but do your best, right? We're not perfect, but we're pretty awesome. So there you go. Okay, what now? Domain is going to be all real numbers. Range is going to be all y values that are less than 2. X-intercept, we should probably find that algebraically since we're not superheroes. So what is an x-intercept? An x-intercept is when y is 0. So set the equation equal to 0. So 0 equals negative 4 to the power of x minus 1 with a plus 2. And solve this thing for x. So 4 to the power of x minus 1 equals 2. So log base 4 of 2 equals, I'm running out of room, equals x minus 1. So x equals log base 4 of 2, saying 4 to what power is 2? Well, 4 to the 1/2 power is 2, because the square root of 4 is 2. So x equals 1/2, add that 1 over, plus 1. So x equals 1.5. And it actually looks like 1.5 on that graph. So yay for scale drawings. So x-intercept is 1.5, comma, 0. Y-intercept, where does that happen? Well, that happens when when x is 0. So plug in 0 for x and solve. Negative 4 to the power of 0 minus 1 is just negative 1, plus 2. Simplify it a little bit, I guess. 4 to the negative 1 is the same as 1 over 4. So negative 1/4 plus 2, which we should probably make a little bit better. All my homies who love decimals, holler, holler, holler. 2 minus 1/4 is 2 minus 0.25, so 1.75. So my y-intercept is 0, 1.75, and we're gravy.